Hi, my name is Mike and I'm doing a video review of the Viking slanted leather hard saddlebags from Motorcycle House. I was wanting to add something bigger, locking, more capability there, but looked good, right? So looked around, I found these things. They have a great shape to them, look good on the bike. You can see they kind of follow the fender there. These are fit onto an 02 Fatboy, and looking around, this is the best deal I could find for the price. Most of them that are like this size or this type are 2 or 3 times this amount of money. They came fast, they were easy to install. Gives you multiple options here. Let me see. Open one up, I can put all, and my other ones I could put in only about a third of what I can fit inside this bag. But see the good stitching and hardware. The lock is top quality. The bags are sturdy and strong. Highly recommend these bags. Would not be disappointed. I've been riding them for about 6 months now. A couple hundred miles each month, and they're holding up good. They look good. Hold all my stuff. More than I can ask for. I didn't use the install brackets. I used custom detachable brackets, but in either case it would be very easy to install them. Highly recommended.